Hello, I saw your question on the email. You want to solve this by completing the square. You were given this equation. First thing you want to do is get your variables on one side, your constant on the other. So I subtracted 20x from each side, and I added 25 to each side. Or you can say they moved them to the other side, change your sign. Next, I guess I'd like the coefficient of the square term to be 1. So it's a 5. So I divided each part by 5. And so that gives me x squared minus 4x equal 5. Now we're ready to complete the square. Look at the coefficient of x. You take half of it and you square it. Half of 4 is 2. 2 squared is 4. You want to add that number to each side. And so that gives you 9 here. And then this side you want to factor. It should always factor down to a binomial square. And you use the square root property. Square root of 9 is 3. Don't forget the plus or minus. Then I write it out the long way. And you add 2 to each side. And we have a nice answers of 5 and negative 1. You could check those back in the original equation. If you put 5 here and here, it should work out to be a true statement. Also, if you put a negative 1 in, that should work out also. Hope this helps.